Kalau soalan tentang statutory rights, ni soalan statutory rights pula. Let's say, alright, dia dah ada hire purchase agreement, okay, for 7 years, okay, agreement is for 7 years, alright. Sometimes dia sebut, kadang-kadang dia tak sebut dalam agreement, dalam soalan tu berapa tahun. Kadang-kadang tahun tu memainkan peranan. Okay. Now, his business was severely affected by the pandemic. He could not afford to pay the installments. Now, his friend Chan is willing to take over in paying the installments. This should give you an idea that this is an indication that, okay, kalau kita nak suruh someone else take over, kan saya kata tadi, there's no such thing as sambung bayar. Tapi under the Hire Purchase Act, hirer has the right to exercise right to assign. Okay, dia nak bagi pada orang lain untuk take over paying the installments. Okay. Alternatively, Chan is also willing to buy the van in cash. Dia nak juga beli cash. Sama ada dia sambung dia take over paying the installment by way of right to assign ataupun pay in cash. Okay, pay in cash tadi saya dah bagi tahu. Kalau dia terminate the agreement, ada orang yang nak bayar, sanggup bayar full cash, then dia boleh introduce the buyer to the owner. Alright. Tapi now he wants to know how many installments are left to be paid. Alright, under the hire purchase agreement. Tapi Leong ni tak sure. Okay, now macam mana kita nak tahu berapa lagi yang belum habis bayar? Well, as I said just now, Section 9. Section 9 explains about the right to obtain a statement, a copy of the statement on his financial position, on the hirer's financial position. So this is where the hirer can exercise these rights. Alright. Now, ada tak dia sebut kat sini tentang statutory rights? Tak ada. Dia cuma sebut statutory provision. Ni peruntukan dalam akta. Dan soalan kata advice on the relevant statutory provision. Soalan ni adalah tentang statutory rights. Kadang-kadang tak sebut pun perkataan statutory ni dalam soalan tu. So you must know. Kalau dia macam ni, okay, dia bukan pasal formation, agreement dah created dah. Dia bukan pasal repossession sebab tak ada pun cerita pasal bank tarik balik kereta. So this is basically regarding statutory rights. Okay, so how do you go about answering this question? So when you read the question, check which statutory right is suitable for the hirer to exercise, because dalam satu soalan boleh jadi ada 2 atau boleh jadi ada 3 statutory rights, kalau soalan problem macam tu. Okay, tapi kena tengok mana yang sesuai lah. Tak payahlah explain benda yang tak relevant. Look at the clues in the question to see which statutory right would be relevant. Macam saya highlightkan tadi lah. These are the clues to show which statutory right would be relevant. Are there more than one statutory rights that the hirer can exercise? Alright. And what must the hirer do to exercise the statutory right? Dia kena dapatkan consent ke? Macam right to assign, kena dapatkan consent of the owner. Alright. Kalau misalnya right to a copy of the financial statement, dia kena apply in writing. Adalah syarat-syarat lagi yang dia kena penuhi. Kalau right to terminate, ada syarat-syarat dia. So what are the requirements to be complied? So the content of your answer, katalah soalan tadi, alright, so basically you boleh list down the issues begini, and because ada 3 statutory right dalam soalan tu. So the issue in this question is whether the hirer can exercise the right to assign, the right to terminate, and the right to get a copy of the financial statement. So when you explain the law, again, as I said just now, start with the definition of hire purchase agreement, because from the definition of the hire purchase agreement, you kena relatekan dengan the statutory rights. You see, hire purchase agreement nature dia ialah ownership tak berpindah tangan. During hire purchase period, owner masih pegang ownership. Hirer only gets possession. Tapi the Hire Purchase Act gives the hirer statutory rights. Then you masuk kepada statutory rights. You terangkan the relevant statutory rights. Terangkan yang 3 ni saja. Tak payah terangkan yang lain sebab yang lain lagi panjang. Okay. So for 15 marks tak payah nak terangkan semua statutory rights, tapi terangkan yang berkenaan saja. Then application, you use the sections, section 12, section 9 dengan section 14 to apply. What must the hirer do in order to exercise the statutory rights, and then conclude. Boleh ke tidak dia exercise the statutory rights, ada hirer's rights protected, and so on. Okay, so that is on statutory rights.